Right, when judging beef animals, again you want a well-proportioned animal, being well-grown but with good width and depth throughout the whole body. Again, start at the front of the animal and work your way back through. So you're looking at the shoulders first, which you want to be broad and well-fleshed. You want them flat across the top of the shoulder, but not too heavy through the shoulders as you look from the front, as that's an indication of excess bone and which again waste. Then flows along the top line, along the back. Again, you want to be well fleshed with a good covering of flesh over the ribs. You want to be able to feel the ribs when you touch them, but if it's too defined, then that's an indication of them being too lean. And again, if you can't feel the individual ribs, then it's an indication that the animal is too fat. Again, going back through the loin, you want a long, wide and deep loin. The bigger and wider and deeper your loin is, should be an indication of a larger eye muscle, which is basically your sirloin steak. Again, one of the most expensive part of the animal is through the loin and across the top of the rump. The rump you want to be wide and well fleshed. You want it to be as flat across the top of the rump, and then which you want to be broad and well fleshed. You want them flat across the top of the shoulder, but not too heavy, and then flowing down into a well-rounded and well-filled inner and outer thigh, extending as far down to the hock as possible. Other indicators to look for on beef is you don't want too heavy a bone through the animals, right? So look at the legs, and the bigger bone again is just waste. Also, any excess gut is just waste. Big heads again is all waste, which we don't want. Also, you can talk about the expected killing out percentages of the animals. So an animal which is well fleshed but not got much fat would kill out a higher percentage of lean meat to fat than an animal with a similar amount of flesh but more fat. And again, an animal you want a high percentage of lean meat to bone as well. So an animal which is well fleshed but with very small bones is going to have a higher percentage of lean meat to bone than an animal with a similar amount of flesh but much bigger bones on it. Thanks for watching our stock judging demonstration video. Hope you find it interesting and informative. If you want to know any more about young farmers or stock judging, then and you're in Somerset, visit www.somersetyfc.org.uk. If you're anywhere else in the country, then visit the National YFC website.